Welcome back. Fall is here, along with the return of packed family schedules, to-do lists, and those everyday chores can really build up, and confronting them can seem like an impossible task. So this morning, we're helping you out. TikTok sensation Armin Adamian is going to show us how we can make some progress. He goes by Creative Explained. He's best known for his tips and tricks that really make life a lot easier. Millions of followers on TikTok. Check it out.
Here's some hacks that'll blow your mind. Oranges, just slice them in half, pull on each end, and eat it. Tea bags have a secret. Check this out. Put the tea bag in your favorite mug, put the string through the handle, and you see this little slit in the middle? Well, that's for the string to rest on, like this. Pour in the water, and the tea bag will stay in place.
It's genius.
Crazy.
This stuff is genius.
Absolutely.
So we've set up a table,
Yep.
so you can walk us through some additional hacks here. You've been doing this since high school, by the way, right?
Nope.
How long?
I started like 2 years ago.
Oh. So
yeah, right when lockdown happened.
Oh. So, but you've been making videos long.
I've been making videos since like 18, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
quite a while.
But you've become quite a superstar, just like with life hacks.
That was never really the intention.
I know.
It just kind of, I just wanted to help people. And then.
So help us this morning. Tell me about these cucumbers in a Ziploc bag.
All right, cucumbers. You want to keep them fresh for long. Everybody puts them in the fridge. But
Yes.
don't put cucumbers in the fridge. Instead, you want to do is grab your cucumbers,
Yep.
put them in a Ziploc bag
Yep.
like this, grab something sharp, scissors, and just poke some holes, and then keep them on your kitchen counter.
That's it.
That's
How
it.
long will they last?
They'll last about 14 days versus like 3, 4, and they get all mushy,
Give me the asparagus and the green onions here.
Green onions, asparagus. First of all, if you take the green onions and chop off the ends,
Yeah.
put them in a glass of water, they'll regrow. That's one. But to keep them fresh for like 14 days, just put them in a jar like that, get some water, fill it up just until it covers like maybe an inch.
Yeah.
And then replenish that water every day if it,
You can keep them
evaporates.
in the fridge there, right?
No, yeah. You can keep it in the fridge, but since they have the water that they need,
Yeah.
They'll be good outside too.
All right.
Lettuce.
This is mind-blowing. Go ahead.
This is my favorite one. It's
Yeah.
because everybody's opened lettuce before, the fridge before, and it's all mushy,
Yes.
right?
After like 2 days.
Yep. But now, by using foil, all you got to do is wrap it around the foil like that, and then stick it in the fridge. They'll stay crispy. That sound, that
Yeah.
crispy sound, will be there in 30 days.
30 days.
30 days, even more sometimes.
Any kind of lettuce, or that only work with certain kinds of lettuce?
Romaine is the one that I've tested with. You know?
All right, what do we have here?
Taco Magic. This is really awesome. Sometimes you want a hard taco shell.
Yeah.
Quick tip, just get a soft taco shell, put it in a glass like that.
Yeah.
Stick it in a microwave, zap it for 30 seconds, take it out, and then you have.
Are you kidding me?
Go ahead. Crunch it, crunch it, crunch it. See?
That's legit.
That's
actually.
30 seconds,
That's
you know?
legit. Okay.
Boom.
What are we doing with the water here?
Boiling water, boiling mashed potatoes, vegetables, or pasta, and then boiling water starts to almost come out of the pot.
Yeah.
Don't do that. Just put a wooden spoon over that, and the water stays in.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it's like magic.
Seriously?
It feels like magic sometimes.
Okay. What's this?
All right, this, herbs, they just pick the...
It takes me forever.
Yeah, it does, but don't do that. Just put it through one of the holes like that, and then, yep, it fell. Let's just do it this way. It's easier. And you just pull from the other end, and look at that. What?
Dude.
And it works with everything. Cilantro, parsley.
Yes.
So much time saved.
This is, Tom Yamas was talking about this one earlier. This is another genius one.
Strawberries.
If you have kids.
I wonder if they called the strawberry because of this, but if you take a straw and put it through the berry, look what happens. It just pops out the green part, which means don't be one of those people that chop off the ends and then waste like a quarter of a strawberry.
Yeah.
Just use a straw, pop it through, and then less waste.
That's genius.
Yeah.
Dude, how do you come up with these? Do you just sit around and you look at things and you're like, you know what, I think I might be able to make this a little easier. I can do this more efficiently.
It really happens randomly. Like it could be I open up a fridge, I see something, or I spill something, and I think, oh, it's got to be a solution.
Yeah.
My ideas come from everywhere, and I don't even know sometimes. I don't even know.
Armin, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I love the glasses, by the way.
Thank you.
Wait, Armin, first of all, welcome back.
Thank you.
I'm so happy you're here. This is my friend Chanel.
Hi, Chanel.
We don't know how you came up with all these. Like, how is this in your blood? How did you just decide, you know what, I'm going to try to figure out what happens with carrots.
I'm going to throw an ice cube in the dryer.
Like, how do you know?
It just because I read the responses from my followers, and they just love the fact that they're learning.
Okay, but how, do you do experiments? How do you know?
You're welcome to go inside of my brain and figure it out, because I can't figure it out myself.
you don't
It just
either?
comes. Sometimes it's a problem that I have, and then I figure out the solution. Yeah.
Well, these are some good ones.
Yes.
All right, so should we start with how to keep our produce fresh?
Absolutely. I don't know.
That's $1 million question. I buy them, I put them in the thing, and then you take it out a couple days later, and it's ruined.
I know.
It wastes money.
And it wastes money, and it's just wasting our food.
So talk to us.
All right, so bell peppers, grab a plastic bag, Ziploc bag, any kind of bag that's, you can fit them in. Put your bell peppers in them. It also works with jalapenos or any kind of pepper. And you're going to grab something sharp, like a knife or scissors, and just poke some holes in there.
Why?
And if it's not a Ziploc, why? So that it can air out the excess moisture.
Oh.
But you don't want to lose too much moisture at the same time.
That's why you leave them in the
So
bag.
then tie it if it's not a Ziploc bag, and then put it in the drawer in the fridge.
Really?
That's it. It's really
How
simple.
much longer will that little bag
14
keep-
days versus like 5 or 6, And just that double time can be helpful.
Okay, talk to us about carrots.
Carrots. What do you do with carrots?
So what are we doing here? We're trying to keep them.
No, but what do you do at home with carrots?
To keep them fresh?
Yeah.
I just leave them.
Okay, that's what people
Wait,
do.
because I can't, I buy the little small ones.
All right,
Yeah, me too, and I keep them in a bag.
I don't buy those.
Here's
No,
what
me
you do.
neither. Those
Okay.
look-
Take a paper
That looks
towel.
like work.
Piece of paper towel. You're gonna wet it. Wet a paper towel. Boom, boom, boom. And then you're gonna wrap the carrots in the paper towel. Right?
Really?
And then put it in a Ziploc bag.
Okay.
Boom.
How much longer?
How much longer it lasts?
Does that one live?
14 days. And it can last longer depending on the carrot.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then stick it in the fridge.
This one is grabbing my attention. You get the little balls in your sweater.
Yes.
Yep.
So I thought you had to have, like the little...
The lint.
Yeah, it's amazing what a razor can do.
A razor?
A razor blade.
You're not going to put a hole in the sweater?
Nope. And people are.
That's a
dull.
nice sweater. Is that yours?
I don't even know.
Okay.
Maybe. But a razor that's dull, you probably toss it.
throw it
But
away.
don't throw it out because
it has to
it's
be
still.
dull.
No, it doesn't have to be, but
That's
you will
probably-
throw it out,
Okay,
right?
yeah. Yeah.
But don't throw it out because you can use it for these kind
That's
of
a great
situations.
idea. Look at that.
And
Just shaving
you
the
shave
sweater?
it away, and this is a light material. You're not going to be able to see it. But
We see it.
if it's a dark material, you'll be
It'll
able to
get it
see
off.
it come right
Look,
off.
here it is.
Yeah, there it is.
That's good.
Wow.
Okay. Done, and done.
All right,
Stickers.
lemon.
Ooh.
Lemon. This is to get. What are we doing here?
Yeah. So how many times have you bought some product, and you're sitting there like,
Oh,
stickers.
I wish stores would stop doing
Right?
that.
Stickers.
Will this work on picture frames? Because
look,
that's my
it's
pet
already
peeve.
working. So earlier, right before this show,
Wait, I'm going to try this. What do I need to do?
Okay, just squeeze some lemon juice right on the sticker.
You know what? I actually love lemons in my
Okay.
drinks.
And I did that a few minutes ago just to have one ready. So check this out. Then it literally just
Now,
it comes right off.
sorry, how long do I need to leave this lemon on
About 2 minutes is fine.
Wait,
Okay,
Adam.
let's come back to this at the
Yeah,
end.
Okay,
seriously.
okay.
On picture frames, you know where they
Yeah.
put it, like right over the
Yeah.
middle of the picture frame?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Done.
All right, now
Done.
let's clean some makeup brushes. What do you think?
Makeup brushes. My fiance Bella was doing makeup one day, and I'm asking her, "Do you ever clean them?" She goes, "Nah." She didn't know what to say.
Most women would
So-
say
Because the answer is no.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So all you do is you take some baking soda and pour it a little bit into a glass,
Okay.
like that. Boom, boom, boom.
With some white vinegar?
No, first just the baking soda. Then
Oh,
in the video, I threw the makeup brush in it, but that's for visuals. But
Okay.
just gently coat it, right?
Coat,
Like that.
gently coat.
And then go ahead, pour it.
Okay, now
Then you'll
pour
see
it in.
Is
the
it gonna
sizzle.
smell like
Vinegar.
It will temporarily, right? But you see the sizzling?
That's the cleaning happening while it's
It's going to loosen up the gunk inside.
cleaning happening right
But
there.
then,
Yeah.
right after that, after about 5 minutes of doing that, you grab a half a lemon. It can even be a lemon that you've already squeezed, you know?
Yeah.
And then just take it out and then rub it against it, And it'll loosen the excess, gunk
This
in there.
might be one of the most useful segments ever.
Yeah.
I'm not even
Like
kidding
hacks?
you. Yeah,
Yeah.
sometimes hacks are not really hacks. These are great.
This is my favorite one, though.
Okay, let's get this.
So you get white shoes, even just a shoe like that with a little white,
Yeah.
edge.
We used to use the sneaker polish.
Exactly. But you don't need to. 'Cause
Okay.
All you need is a cotton pad or anything cotton,
Okay.
even a cotton swab.
Is that nail polish remover?
Nail polish remover. This is magic. Look. So
Or
here's
is it dirty? It is. That's the
Let's find
cleanest
the
shoe I've
dirtiest
ever
part.
seen.
No, right there, right there.
Okay, right
ready?
there. Get this.
So
Let's see.
We're just gonna rub that. Look at that. It's like erasing it. Whoa! What is that?
Here's the thing. I'm not even kidding. Like, this
Nope.
is amazing.
This is magic.
Wait,
wait, no, I
look-
wanna go.
You wanna
Okay,
try?
we don't want to go. But wait, do you want you to tell
Okay,
us? Maybe?
last one.
Okay, do it real quick.
Okay.
Okay, Dave is gonna- I'm
not
Cola.
listening.
She did it.
Cola.
Okay, that's a cola. or
Cola in a
soda.
spray bottle.
Okay.
Open it up.
What is it for?
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste. You're gonna take some toothpaste, squeeze it in there.
Ew,
Yeah.
ew.
That's-
I know. Don't drink this at home.
What's it for? What's it?
And then close
clean a
it.
plate?
Next thing you want to do is close it, and you're gonna shake it a little bit.
Okay.
Right? Get that mixture going,
Yeah.
and then say you have a stain on a plate, stain on a counter, stain
What?
anywhere on the wall. Kids draw on the wall, right?
You use soda?
Just Just
Wait,
spray
doesn't
it.
soda
Trust
make
me,
it
sounds
sticky?
weird. It does, but check this out. You first you spray it.
Spray it.
You leave it there to get the action going, and then you take a paper towel, and it should just actually
How
work.
did you
It
decide
should just
to
work.
combine soda and... Okay, y'all, let's see. Here's the moment. Oh!
Oh!
Right
He
off.
like backed up like the goat. Did you see that? He's like, oh.
That fell off right
Adam.
off. Thank
Armin.
you. Armin.
Where'd you fly in from?
From Denmark.
He flew in from Denmark for you guys.
Armin, you're the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you.